Pepito, bahagyang hamina matapos maglandfall sa Catanduanes. Bahagyang hamina ang lakas ng hangin ng Super Typhoon Pepito matapos itong maglandfall sa Catanduanes kagabi. Kasalukuyang may lakas ng hangin ito na 185 km per hour at pagbugsong umaabot sa 285 km per hour. Inaasahang magpapatuloy ito sa pagkilos sa direksyon na west-northwestward sa hilagang katubigan ng Camarines Norte at posibleng maglandfall o dadaan malapit sa Calaguas Islands ang bagyo hanggang ngayong umaga. Signal number 5, northern portion of Catanduanes, Pandan, Bagamanok, Panganiban, Viga, Caramoran. Northeastern portion of Camarines Sur, Caramuan, Garchitorena, Lagonoy, Presentacion. Calaguas Islands. Eastern portion of Polillo Islands, Patnanungan, Humalig. Signal number 4, northernmost portion of Albay, Tiwi. Eastern portion of Camarines Sur, Siruma, Tinambak, Goa, San Jose, Tigaon, Sagnay, Calabanga. Rest of Camarines Norte, rest of Catanduanes, rest of Polillo Islands. Signal number 3, northeastern portion of #Sorsogon, Prieto Diaz, City of Sorsogon, Gubat. Rest of Albay, rest of Camarines Sur, northeastern portion of Quezon, Calawag, Ginyangan, Tagkawayan, Buenavista, Lopez, Quezon, Perez, Alabat, Gumaca, Claridel, Atimonan, Real, General Nakar, Infanta, Mauban, Sampaloc. Rest of Polillo Islands, eastern portion of #Laguna, Santa Maria, Fami, Mabitak, Pakil, Pangil, Siniloan, Paete, Kalayaan, Lumban, Cavinti. #Aurora, eastern and central portions of #Rizal, Pililla, Tanay, City of Antipolo, Rodriguez, Baras, San Mateo, Morong, Teresa. Central and eastern portions of #Bulacan, Norzagaray, San Miguel, San Ildefonso, San Rafael, Doña Remedios Trinidad, Angat, City of San Jose del Monte, Santa Maria, Pandi, Baliwag, Bustos, Pulilan, Claridel. Northeastern portion of #Pampanga, Candaba, Arayat, Magalang, San Luis, San Simon, Mexico, Santa Ana, Apalit, Santo Tomas, City of San Fernando, Mabalacat City, Angeles City. Tarlac, Nueva Ecija, northern portion of #Zambales, Santa Cruz, Candelaria, Masinloc, Palawig. Pangasinan, Lonayon, southern portion of Ilocos Sur, Alilem, Sugpon, Cervantes, Suyo, Tagudin, Benguet, Ifugao, southern portion of Mountain Province, Tadjan, Bauco, Sabangan, Nueva Vizcaya, Quirino, southern portion of Isabela, Jones, Etiague, San Guillermo, Angadanan, Alicia, San Mateo, Ramon, San Isidro, City of Santiago, Cordon. Signal number 2, rest of Sorsogon, Tikawislan, Buriasislan, Marinduque, rest of Quezon, rest of Laguna, rest of Rizal, Cavite, northern portion of Batangas, City of Tanawan, Santo Tomas, Talisay, Lipas City, Malvar, Balete, Mataas na Kahoy, Laurel, Padre Garcia. Metro Manila, Bataan, rest of Zambales, rest of Pampanga, rest of Bulacan, Kalinga, Abra, rest of Mountain Province, southern portion of Apayao, Cabugao, Conner, rest of Ilocos Sur, rest of Isabela, southwestern portion of Cagayan, Enrile, Tuo, Solana, Tuguegarao City, Piat. Northern Samar, signal number 1, rest of Masbate, Romblon, northern and central portions of #Oriental Mindoro, Puerto Galera, San Teodoro, Nauhan, Baco, Victoria, Socorro, Pinamalayan, Bansod, Gloria, Pola, City of Calapan, Bongabong, Rojas, Mansalay. Northern and central portions of #Occidental Mindoro, Sablayan, Santa Cruz, Mamburao. Abra de Ilog, Palwan, including #Lubang Islands. Rest of Batangas, rest of Cagayan including Babuyan Islands. Rest of Apayao, rest of Ilocos Norte, Biliran. Northernmost portion of #Cebu, Daan Bantayan, Medellin, including Bantayan Islands. Northernmost portion of #Iloilo, Carles. northern portion of #Samar, San George, San Sebastian, Villarreal, Zumaraga, Matuguinaw, Pinabacdao, Almagro, Calbayog City, Talalora, Yabong, Pagsanghan, City of Catbalogan, Gandara, Motyong. Santo Niño, Tagapulan, San Jose de Buan, Santa Margarita, Tarangnan, Calbiga, Daram, Paranas, Hinabangan, northern portion of #Eastern Samar, Kenavid, Maslug, San Policarpo, Taft, Dolores, Hipapad, Oras, Arteche, Sulat, San Julian, northernmost portion of Leyte, San Isidro, Calubian.